Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bookends that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Innoplus Bookends 3-pack. If you're a book junkie, you're probably sick of running out of space. I mean, you need at least one new book a week, right? And you can't throw any away. So, if you're not blessed with your own library, you need to think of an alternative way of keeping your books in order. This 3-pack of Innoplus bookends could be the answer. With these heavy-duty metal bookends, you can turn any shelf into a bookshelf without anything falling off the end. Completely made from metal, these bookends are heavy enough to hold thick hardback books, without any problem. They are padded with rubber on the bottom, which stops them from sliding about unwanted. It also has the added benefit of stopping them from scratching your surfaces at all. You might have also noticed the tree-style design, which is a particular favorite with fantasy readers. They look great at the end of any book and add some real style to your collection. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tech Tools bookends. The mere look at this eye-catching Tech Tools cell phone holder is enough to get the feeling of the safety and security of your mobile device. It is stylishly made in the form of a hand clasped around an imaginary object. This holder is designed to literally give you the much-needed helping hand at your office, in the home, or within your study place anytime, keeping your device always in clear view and within easy reach, just in case you need to receive or make that important call. It supports a variety of electronic devices such as phones, iPods, tablets, and MP3 players, and also protects your device and keeps it in good shape to last you a very long time. It serves as a decorative piece of art that will adorn your office setup or fit in place in any room within your home. At the same time, it can also serve as a weight to your office documents and prevent papers from flying around that will certainly distract attention and focus. So you see, it is lightweight enough to lift easily and just heavy enough to support paperwork. Made from a careful blend of cement and plastic, it is tough, safe, durable and long-lasting, and will serve as a marvelous addition to your desktop collections. Purchase it as a gift for co-workers and superiors and see how it will be adored and how many hilarious remarks it will generate from the rank and file. At number 3, we have the Kikkerland Concrete Desktop Planter. Cute, perfect and functional is how we will describe this next product. Its 3.8 x 3.5 x 3.2 inches dimension gives you a perfect product that can be displayed to court your clients and boost your productivity and rake in greater revenue. In these times of heightened environmental awareness, where the need to protect the Earth's physical environment and create a conducive atmosphere for a sustainable development is getting ever paramount, this Kikkerland Concrete Desktop Planter could not have been developed at a more appropriate time. Its presence alone will get your office or study want to get green all over again. It will also serve as an eloquent reminder to a silent office when it comes to greening the environment, and will offer itself as a great advertising tool for your products and services. This planter is made of real solid concrete and so is strong, durable and stable. It features a terraced base that conveniently holds such items as pens for work, business cards, clips, USB flash drives and so on. The lower part is modified to contain succulent flora and other indoor plants. The plant holding compartment reaches a depth of about 3 inches. Its amazing price of $20 will not be too much to pay for a planter with such a great purpose. At number 2, we have the Anwenk Antique-Styled Bronze Heavy-Duty Vintage Bookend. With the Anwenk Antique-Styled Bronze Heavy-Duty Vintage Bookend pair, you can see sheer finesse and artistic craftsmanship in action. It has a beautiful design and is built tough and sturdy, purposely to hold as many books as you want no matter the weight or size, including magazines, journals, and video games. It is made from iron with a bronze coating that ensures its durability and longevity. The large size ensures that you are able to store every kind of book with any cover, whether paperback, hardcover or any other. The vintage retro design is known to be always in vogue and will give a perfect decorative touch to anywhere it is placed. It comes in 2 different colors of black and brown that blends perfectly with your kitchen, living room and hall furniture as well as other wood stuff. This product also features 8 pieces of protective felt pads to provide friction and prevent slip on the shelf. This feature ensures that your bookshelf is protected and free from scratch. In spite of the great strength, it is surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around the house or in the office. It comes as a pair with each pair weighing 27 ounces. Whenever you are looking for a heavyweight bookend that is durable and will hold any type of book, from cookbooks to camping books, you do not need to look any further. And finally at number 1, we have the Artori Design Superhero Bookend. Whether you are honoring a law student who had just graduated from college with an honors degree, or if you are celebrating a heroic act or rejoicing with that loved one who just been promoted at work, or simply think it's time to celebrate the hero in you, the Artori Design Superhero Bookend will help you do it better and in style. This bookend will transform your library or study area into a miniature art gallery whilst it also adds charm and appeal to your learning environment. For the superhero fan, it gives you another opportunity to relive the iconic days, bring some of the memories back into present reality. Anytime the chance emerges a gift to be given for heroic performance, go for Artori Superhero Bookend. Made from toughened iron with super quality black finishing, will withstand moisture and rust and support several books and journals. Embed a part of the bookend behind the cover of the last book. There is a magnet in it that suspends the superhero figure midair once it is attached to it, making him look like he is supporting the books from falling. It is really fun to behold and the children especially will love it. And for some cool interior ideas, check out our guide to the best bookcases. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.